today we went out there with a goal of doing a foiling tack, which we've never done before in these boats.
Full foiling tack. See this one?
We had some catastrophic fails in our attempts and some big crashes in attempting to do it, but we eventually did it.
The reality is that the Japanese led the way a little bit with that, and I quite like watching us figuring out and being able to be able to match them in a matter of days is the thing that was really important for the team.
Look at Joe. What we were talking about a long time ago was for a boat to not touch the water throughout a whole race, and it's becoming a reality now. Last America's Cup, it was all about the foiling jibe and who could perform the foiling jibe, staying on the foils all the way down the downwind run. This time it's about foil tacking. The gains in a foiling tack, it can be anywhere from 50 metres to 200 metres. You're not going to think of it as gains anymore, you're going to think of it as losses. Whoever doesn't do a foiling tack is probably going to lose the race. The boat that can make it around the race course without touching the water will win this America's Cup.